First line. My favorite vegetable is potato. Second line. It is one of the most popular vegetables. Third line. Potatoes are rich in carbohydrates and give us energy. Fourth line. They can be cooked in many different ways. Fifth line. I like potato curry and French fries very much. Sixth line. Potatoes are tasty and easy to cook. Seventh line. They grow under the ground. Eighth line. Farmers grow potatoes in many parts of India. Ninth line. My mother often prepares delicious potato dishes. 10th line. That is why potato is my favorite vegetable.